This overview of our checklist software for Atlassian Cloud will show you all the features that you will use to realize your checklist use cases in any organization. Installing and using the software is completely free at this point. The admin area can be accessed via the app menu. You can see all the checklists generated in your instance and filter them so that you only see those you're interested in. Checklists are generated from templates. Templates can also be filtered and sorted. The easiest way to start when you are unsure is to create a new template with our library of examples. But let's generate a new checklist for a definition of done in a software team together. Creating such a template is simple and straightforward, as demonstrated here. A good checklist is available whenever you need it. That's why we built a lot of options for you to create checklists from such a template. Let's find out together. Any Jira issue that you may have can hold a checklist. So we can add it manually to such a task. But when you create a specific issue type in a project, we can automatically add a new checklist. Such a checklist can be copied into a Confluence page and live there. We can also add a new checklist to every Confluence page manually. Once you create a new page with a page template, a new checklist of that type will be embedded in the page. But we all know that there are a lot of situations outside of Jira and Confluence where checklists can help. That's why we've created more ways to create and use checklists outside your Atlassian Cloud instances. If you're in a chat on Slack, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, Google Chat, Telegram, or Signal, you can simply share a link. Everyone with a web connection can click it and create a new checklist based on your template. Easy peasy. If you're in an office or on a factory floor, you can leverage our QR codes to create new checklists on the fly. You can save a JSON export file if you want to save or transfer a checklist. Such exports can be imported into the software as well. Within your documentation on Confluence pages, you can insert a link to create a new checklist as a prominent button. We even built a mobile app to allow you to create checklists from a smartphone natively. It's available on iOS and Android. You can scan QR codes with the app, or create new checklists from recently used templates. See the list of recently used checklists on this device. And you can check off tasks in checklists and add notes and pictures to them. Tasks can be configured to be yes or no questions. Such questions can support audits and control processes. We've added a feature to sign a checklist for essential checklists and special audits. Every checklist template can require signatures. We'll show statistics for this checklist template whenever you finish a checklist. You can also give feedback to the creator of the checklist, or send a high five if you think this is helpful. Completed checklists can also be shared with a text and a deep link in a Jira issue as a comment or in a group chat like Slack. This feedback will be gathered in the admin area and can be resolved after someone reads it or acts upon it. If you pass your checklist down into your production line, or give it to your blue-collar workers, your budget may not allow licensing everyone in Atlassian Cloud. Instead, you can use our web portal and invite checklist-only users and let them work there for free. To allow someone from outside to log into your checklist portal, you need to add them as template managers in a checklist template. Then, they will get an email with an invitation and can register for the portal there. All checklists will be available in this web portal, in Confluence Cloud, and in Jira Cloud simultaneously for you, whenever and wherever you need them, perfectly in sync for all platforms. We are actively building this app. This means that we'll be happy to get in contact with you, answer questions, give you a personal demo, and learn from your requirements. We've also started a community platform where you can add your own wishes and vote for features that need to be built in the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.